Good morning, everyone. We're excited to have you in class. As you'll remember, last week I asked for everyone to provide their phone numbers for class. And there was a reason that I did that, and not just emergency contacts. Actually, today we are going to use our phones in our lesson today. Today we're going to aim for all of you to successfully read and understand one of Aesop's fables. You're also going to complete some beginner writing activities on one of these fables, and we're going to try to brainstorm some different ideas for a writing activity. But as our warm-up, I'm going to ask everyone to get out your phones. And what we're going to do is I'm going to send you the warm-up. So we're going to have a sentence from one of Aesop's fables entitled The Wolf and the Kid. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this to you now. So if everyone can get their phones out, I've started a big group message. Everyone will get this first part of the sentence. And what I want you to do is look at the exercise. Look at the fill in the blank exercise. Then try to see if you can complete it. And once you've all received the message, I will ask someone to read our sentence and fill in the blank if they can. All right, so has everyone, raise your hand if you've received the text message. Okay, everyone's got it? Good. All right, so now let's have everyone take a look. Here's our first sentence that we are going to fill in the blank. So this is our missing word. This is called a cloze exercise, C-L-O-Z-E, cloze, or simpler, fill in the blank exercise. So now, everybody's got it? Good, all right. Now let's listen as who would like to read and fill in the blank here? Okay. All right, Ryan, well, how about you? Why don't you help us with that? So go ahead and read our title of the story and this sentence, and go ahead and fill in the blank. Okay, whenever you're ready.
The Wolf and the Kid. A kid was perched up on the top of a house, and looking down saw a wolf passing under him.
Very good, very good. So, looking down saw a wolf passing under him. Very good reading, Ryan. Very good. Now, let's ask this question. Everybody in the class, tell me, why did you know, or how did you know that down was the word that was missing? What clues did you have in the sentence? Yes, very good. So the boy was perched on top, above. That is a good indicator that he would be looking down on someone or down on something. So now I'm going to send you all the next portion of this story. So get your phones out again if you've put them away, which, let's be honest, know that none of you have put your phones away. Now get your phones out. I'm going to send you the second portion, and I'm going to give you another cloze exercise to fill in the blank, and we'll have someone else read for us. So let me write this down, and be thinking about how you know that this is the correct word. How you know that this is the right word to fill in the blank. All right, so I have written one sentence on our whiteboard. I want you to fill in the blank for this sentence while we read the rest of this fable, the rest of this short story. Now, who would like to help us reading the rest of this story? Okay, everybody has it? Everybody has it? Okay, good. Julia, would you like to help us with this reading? Here is what we need to fill in the blank for. This is the last word here. And go ahead and read, Julia. You can begin anytime.
Curse. Immediately he began to revile and attack his enemy. Murderer and thief, he cried, what do you here in honest folks' houses? How dare you make an appearance where your vile deeds are known? Curse away, my young friend, said the wolf. It is easy to be brave from a safe distance.
Very good reading, Julia. Very good. I think we need to work on some of our punctuation, and we'll get that a little bit more proficient. But we'll talk about that after class. So we have our word here, and did everybody catch what it was? Attack his enemy. Very good. Now, why would we know that enemy could be the correct answer here? Well, to revile and to attack, those are both negative things. You don't do that to a friend or a family member. You do this to someone that is your enemy or is a negative. It's a negative connotation. So we begin to revile and attack. We know it's a bad thing. So naturally we would be led to some words like enemy. Very good, Julia. You were able to get that correct. All right, now let's move on to discuss a little bit more about our objectives.